At A4 Technologies, we have strong expertise in cybersecurity. We work on very large scale enterprise applications and provide security solutions on storage, finance, and healthcare. Our customers have huge concerns on information security, and that is because if these systems are compromised, then that would lead to huge financial implications and not to forget reputation. With so much of innovation going around, especially in cloud and IoT, the threat surfaces have massively multiplied in the recent past. And hackers not hack these systems for fun, but they steal data and money. So we help customers build solutions that are not only high performing, but have robust security measures implemented around information security. Our solutions target protecting confidentiality of data, integrity of data, and high availability of their information. At A4 Technologies, we are very much focused on 4 security services: web application security, mobile application security, which covers both Android as well as iOS, backend security included, cloud infrastructure security, and IoT security. We have customers in all of these 4 areas, that is IoT, cloud security, web, and mobile. So for cloud security, we have helped several customers build highly secure cloud labs where their information systems are running and have provided a complete security audit report that they can share with their customers so that they instill the right level of confidence into their customers that their solutions are safe and secure from adversaries. This cloud infrastructure security that we work on basically involves right from architecture to designing their production, staging, and dev labs, which include virtual private centers, configuring networks, rules, security groups, policies, as well as a deep, detailed analysis and assessment of their virtual machines to ensure that they are free from malware and any security misconfigurations. We basically use benchmarks, very international benchmarks like CIS, to evaluate security misconfigurations on their Linux and Windows systems. So that's on cloud infrastructure security. On web and mobile application security, we basically do a pen test and provide a very elaborate report as to what are the open vulnerabilities and which vulnerabilities have been addressed. We start right from threat modeling so that we can find vulnerabilities in the architecture, followed by reconnaissance, scanning, then basically after identifying all vulnerabilities, use tools to basically exploit these vulnerabilities and thus ensure that the solution when it goes out to production is completely safe and secure. So that's on web and mobile applications. As I just mentioned, we also do backend security. So just to give you an example on storage, we have helped customers architect solutions for data protection. Our expertise basically is providing solutions on authentication, authorization, data encryption in transit, data encryption at rest, ensuring that the data is always maintained with high integrity and high availability. So that's basically on storage. On Internet of Things, IoT, this is a service that we started at the start of 2018. We have quite a few customers, and what we do in IoT is we evaluate the entire IoT ecosystem, which includes web application, mobile application, cloud infrastructure, as well as firmware. So in IoT, we basically employ techniques to extract the code from the firmware and identify security vulnerabilities in their code by exploiting business logic, as well as identify sensitive information like keys, credentials, and other sensitive settings that can be exploited. We have a team of 10 that includes security architect as well as pen testers. All of them are very experienced, and their background of most of the engineers is masters in information security. So I would say we are a pretty strong team over here, and the plans basically is to build a team size of around 20 by this year end. We use highly recommended industry standard tools which provide very precise and very detailed reports on all security vulnerabilities. We use Kali Linux, we use Metasploit, we use Burpsuite, we use Nmap for most of the types of applications that we work on. Specifically on mobile, we use Dozer, we use Android Studio, we use Xcode, we use APK tools. On cloud, we use, for example, for Amazon, we use GuardDuty, we use CloudTrail for audits, we use Inspector. And for IoT, we have some hardware which helps us identify and extract debug logs using JTAG, UART, and we use Exploit. We use Beanwork for basically code extraction.